Now I got a bellyache.
I'm vegan now.
This is vegan.
Yes.
Oh, I should get Sukin.
No, you wouldn't get it.
It's still recording.
Yes.
Well, you started it.
You did.
Really?
Yes.
No, I didn't. Hi guys. So I'm gonna use this. What are you using?
Pure natural.
I'm gonna do my brows.
So fast.
Ta-da!
I use highbrow Australis shaping brow thing. I've got. Should I wet this because we?
Why would you wet it?
So, I have my Eco Tools spoolie and thing angle brush, I think.
Yeah, good job. Okay. I can't do my brows, bloody hell.
It feels weird.
Is this even good? No, it's not. Bloody hell.
Everything's wow.
I don't know.
Maybe if it's 11.
Probably. Is that good? Ew!
Sorry for that.
No, it's the lighting. It's the lighting. Look.
No, it's good.
Like base stuff. Like, you know, to conceal.
You don't bring any concealer?
Like, I didn't bring any.
I brought one.
I'll just use yours.
So unnecessary shit.
Why is everything wet?
I don't know. So,
No. Rimmel. Wake me up.
I'm gonna be using my brow gel. Is that how you do it?
Well, I don't have any brushes.
I have a fresh sponge.
Did you bring powder?
No.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Because it's fine. Okay, and then I'm gonna do. We actually have to hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna do my contour.
Ew, it flipped it up. I don't like doing this. It stresses me out.
Alright, I'll use it as a brush.
Can you fix this?
It's fine. Just leave it. It could go worse.
Could I conceal it?
No, we're gonna run out of time. I want to get a blush brush, like your blush brush.
Really?
Yeah, well, there's those are here.
Huh? Is there even any product going on? I think.
With it. Yeah, there's actually a lot. What about mine?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some bronze on my hair. I'm gonna put mascara. John.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this how you do nose? Is that how you do nose?
Yeah. Yeah.
What else? Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, that's my makeup done. They look bad.
I get stressed out doing mascara.
Are you? Is that your last step?
Yeah.
Oh no. I have this.
Just what you said, so please.